Hey there, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, bringing you weekly videos about psychic development and spiritual and personal growth. And today I have a fun exercise you can do with energy. Basically, it's making an energy ball. So I've done a few videos about psychometry and how we have little chakras in our hands, our little hand chakras. To actually really feel that and to feel energy, what you want to do is start sort of like rubbing your hands together really fast. And it looks funny. Maybe I'll put my hands down here so you can't see. But anyway, you just do this. You can do this with me right now as you're watching. But it sort of starts to create a friction. And I like to go like really fast. But then when you pull your hands apart and then you kind of very slowly put them back together, you'll feel like a cushion of energy. Now, usually I do this a lot longer, but I can feel a little cushion like right about here. But if you do it for almost like a minute, which is kind of a long time, you'll have a greater cushion of energy, and you'll pull your hands back and then put them back together and feel that cushion. But in order to make an energy ball, you start to sort of pat that cushion together and make it like if you can see my hands, like a shape, like a ball. And I would also recommend, by the way, if you're going to do this, to not have any rings on your fingers or things like that, because those objects have energy, they're imbued with energy, and that can get in the way of the energy that you're creating. So anyway, you keep shaping it so it's like this ball, and you can infuse it with a color, you can infuse it with an intention, with anything you want, but of course you want it to be something really good. And then you can take that energy ball and bring it into your own body, like your solar plexus chakra, your heart chakra, or anywhere you need it. Or you can press that energy into another person or pet or animal that's not a pet, or plant. And it's really fun and it works. And I would encourage you to just play with this and see what you feel and what you pick up. But it's just another little fun psychic exercise that you can do with energy. If you like this topic, please go ahead and subscribe or hit the like button and come back, because I do new videos every week. And I think the more of us doing all this fun psychic intuitive energy work, the better. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.